Uses and functions of compound predicates. Compound predicates are used to render several important functions in both spoken and written English. The uses and functions of compound predicates are discussed below. Number 1, briefness and conciseness. By using compound predicates, you can avoid redundancy and achieve conciseness in your sentences. That is, the use of compound predicates helps you make your sentences brief and concise and avoid multiple sentences. Compare example 1 with example 2, where the first has 2 different sentences with 2 subjects, whereas the second has only 1 sentence and 1 subject. For example, John went to the market. He bought some groceries. Number 2, John went to the market and bought some groceries. Number 2, clarity and clearness. The use of compound predicates ensures clarity in your sentences. That is, when you use compound predicates, you link 2 or more related actions together performed by the same subject. This helps the reader understand your sentences with great clarity and zero ambiguity. For example, John worked hard and cleared the entrance test.